I am putting Marching Cubes FPS, or whatever I end up calling this, on GitHub. I'm putting this on GitHub. So that means that it's going to be open source from now on. Anyone that wants to can contribute, can help out, can comment on it, whatever. Or if you just want to steal the source code and do whatever else you want with it, make your own project, I don't know. You are free to do that. All right. That means that I'm hoping to keep working on it, but I'm also hoping for possibly a little bit of help from whoever is bored and feels like they want to help make this project better. All right. So for those of you that were watching the stream a little while back, I do stream every once in a while, not as often as I'd like, but a little bit more in the future. Um, there was some multiplayer bugs. I wasn't quite working because of the packet inspection that I had at the time. It's now fixed, so if you want to, you can download at least the executable and run it and connect to my server, or I am now making available the server executable. So if you want to host your own, you can do that. You can connect to it. Um, if you're wanting like a lower latency. More like a LAN environment, right? And then if you know a little bit about networking, you can make that available publicly too. And then maybe in the future I'll make like a server browser type idea. But anyway, for right now, it's open source. It's on GitHub. Um, I've started to make a website here. I mean, this is the GitHub page, so these are the source files that you see here. You can make a fork. You can add it to your own GitHub. Um, GitHub's not very hard to learn at all. If you need, I'll put in some instructions later. But for right now, it'll be on the website here. So it's the civart.ca. I'll put that link in the description. The civart.ca is where you can go. And then I'll also put the link to, this is the download page where you can download the individual installers or just the standalone executables for both the server and the client. And then there will be the GitHub link. And this GitHub link will bring you straight to the source files for the game, so for both the server and the client. And then you can commit your own changes. And then if you want to make them part of the main project that everybody sees, then you can submit a pull request to me, and then other people can see those changes, comment on them, and then I can accept them into the main core game. So, I mean, GitHub's really easy to use. It is the #1 system for making open source projects, and if you're doing anything in the coding world, then you probably already know about it. So, yeah, come and join me in my crazy Marching Cubes FPS game.